We'll wait for next 1 minute. Let all the join. We'll wait for more 1 or 2 minutes. Many people are waiting to join. We have limit for 100, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Spurti, display the highs mega job mela pick and economy new pick with 100 rupees on the display. For
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Straight away display this both means one by one.
Okay, sir.
So done, guys. So everyone, very good afternoon. This is Manish from Highs Placement Service Private Limited, Highs CEO. And we are into placements from last 5 years. We have completed 5 years. From 2015, we are into industry. We are associated with the different IT, non-IT companies. So we are also conducting a training program on different IT domains on .NET, AngularJS, Node.js, content writing, digital marketing, MS Office, MS Excel, uh, and interview skills. So for each courses, we are charging 100 rupees. It is 3 months courses. If anyone are interested, you can just register on our website. You can just get all the information. And Spurti,
Yes, sir.
have sent a message in the family group.
Okay.
Just keep that message in the Zoom link.
Okay.
Daily 1 of our program, only just 100 rupees. Okay. Next. Now, everyone, I want to tell you what exactly the program is on and what is this work from home project, what you're gonna earn and how everything. And this is totally work from home project. This is Bajaj Allianz life insurance project. Okay. Here you have it two variations. Here you have in a fixed salary basis and in a commission basis. See, if you're saying that, sir, I'm into different training programs and different jobs, I want to do this as a part-time. Yes, you can do as in a part-time work from home. There is no targets. You can do as much as you can and you can earn monthly 30,000 to 50,000 rupees you can earn. Okay, that is the one thing. Second thing, here even Bajaj Allianz is taking people who are working for full time with a limited targets with 10,000 to 60,000 salaries. Depends upon their previous work experience and their commitment of the targets. Okay, if you are going with a fixed salaries, there is a targets. If you are going with a commission basis, there is no salaries. Okay, so this is what the project is. So all together, we have taken the project from the Bajaj Allianz. We are giving this opportunity only for 100 people. So now whoever interested, we will take them. We are giving 4 days complete training, means Bajaj team, HR management team will be providing a training on this, how to exactly do the work, what is the money you are going to get, and what are the percentages you are going to get. There are a lot of incentive slabs, promotions, even without with inter degree 10th qualification also you can be a managers, you can earn money. Okay, so complete information will be given by Bajaj HR team, and we are taking this Coal and Soul project, we have taken it. So in this lockdown moment, we wish you all be safe in your home and earn some money like 20,000 to minimum 40,000, and make sure that your rotation life will be as usual with this financial things. uh, so I'm thankful for everyone for this opportunity, for companies also for trusting us, Heist company, and given this biggest project. For every state they have given 100 slots. For Telangana and Andhra we have 200. So now I introduce Mr. Anji Reddy Garu to start the section, a complete information of this product and the financial things. Please, Anji Reddy Garu, start the section, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, guys. Manish, can you share? Can you give me hosting, because I want to share my PPT.
Yes,
Yeah,
we are eagerly trying, sir. Spurti,
Yes,
Anji
sir.
Reddy Bijam बोल के है ना माँ, उस
हाँ.
सर को दे दो hosting.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, individually, whoever have a doubts after this turning also, you sort it out. So it will be easy for other people also. We have a 2 basis, salary and commission basis, part-time and full-time. Explain them everything, sir. We'll pick the best candidates.
Okay. So thank you, Manish, for giving wonderful opportunity. So thank you,
welcome,
guys,
sir.
for it's a great opportunity to interact with all students and also to understand your expectations. So thank you for joining. So my name is Anji Reddy. So I completed my MCA and MBA. So through Bajaj, I visited 9 countries. I qualified various trips, and I'm the top performer of Pan India. So I'm also a certified trainer. So just I will finish. I will take 30 minutes time to complete presentation. So I will give you 15 minutes time. So if you have any queries, you can ask me later. So please available signal location point. Keep your complete keep in hold. If you have any small query, please feel free to ask me after my presentation.
Guys, no one should raise any questions or any doubts in the section. Once the section is completed, we can ask the questions. Sir will clear it out. And if once the section is completed, everyone join with the same Zoom link. Within 1 minute, it will be open. Sir, this is for next 45 minutes, 30 minutes. If it is closed, you can just rejoin with the same link. Everyone.
I will close.
Okay,
So
sir,
basically,
go ahead.
why we need job? What is the purpose of job? Why everyone looking job? What is the main purpose? So can anybody help me to understand what is the main purpose of job? Why some people they will look job? Why they are looking job? What is the main purpose? Can anybody, one person, can anybody help me to understand what is the purpose of job? Why you are looking for job? Anyone?
Education and society.
So, sorry.
To earn money and reputation in the society.
Fantastic. To earn money and also to get some reputation and also to get some promotions, to get award and reward. So when you select any company, so there should be a purpose. When you join in any corporate company, there is a purpose. Why you are selecting, why you are entering, what is the main purpose? To learn, to earn, to get. So learning means learnings related to knowledge level learning and skills level, corporate skills level learning, and your corporate habit level learning, your corporate work attitude level learnings. So when you enter into, when you select any corporate company, when you select any organization, first you guys has to target to learn something. So learning most important for our career. When you learn, your learning skills, learning knowledge, learning attitude, learning habit level will be helpful to earn something. So when you earn, automatically you will get award, you will get a reward, you will get a recognition, you will get promotions. So performance related promotion. So everything learnings. When you are perfect in learning, learnings, knowledge related learnings, skills related learnings, attitude related learnings, habit level related learnings only will be helpful to you to earn money. So here, every individual person have wonderful opportunity to improve our knowledge, to learn in insurance industry. Why insurance? What is the main purpose? Why you need to join? Why you select insurance? What is the main purpose? Why only insurance? You have multiple resources, you have multiple opportunities, you have multiple companies. Why only banking and insurance? Why means insurance industry is the most booming and growing and most best industry to learn, to earn, to get. Fast growing industry in the world, insurance industry is the third fast growing industry in the world, not in India, in the world. When you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years experience in insurance and banking, you have wonderful opportunity to set your career goal. You have wonderful opportunity to improve your knowledge, to improve your skills, to improve your attitude, to improve your network, to improve your business related skills. So when you learn, so this learning and Indian learning skills also will be helpful to you to move to next level. So if you want to settle in Canada, you have wonderful opportunities. You can work at Canada also. So insurance industry is the best industry to learn, to earn, to get. So your learnings company, corporate companies, they will give you professional training. So through training, when you attend for training, you have option to learn all things. Then when you perform, no need to depend on recommendations here. In insurance industry, your performance will give payout. Your performance will give your promotion. Your performance will decide your career. Your performance will decide your career growth. Your performance only will decide your earnings. So why insurance means to learn, to earn, to get. So if you want to learn, if you want to earn, if you want to get award, reward, promotion quickly, insurance industry is the best industry to select, to set our career and also to learn, to earn, and to get some reward award kind of things. So we have many companies. Why only Bajaj Allianz? What is the main purpose? Why Bajaj? So you have SBI, you have ICICI, you have IDBI, you have Max, you have Kotak, you have multiple companies. Why only Bajaj Allianz? Bajaj Allianz is the best. When you open, when you read, when you study, you will understand Bajaj group of companies. Bajaj Motors, Bajaj Fin, Bajaj Automobile, Bajaj manufacturing companies, Bajaj related. They have different group of companies, different segment related group of companies. Bajaj brand, when you take Bajaj brand, top 3, when you look top 10, so Bajaj group is top 3. So why Bajaj means you have better career growth, you have wonderful career path, and also you have wonderful resources to learn, wonderful opportunity to earn. So in insurance, when you select insurance industry, basics, learning is the most important. When you success in objection handling skills, you also will success in our personal life. Our professional and personal life always linked to various parameters. How you are handling nowadays, so many people, they know how to earn money. So many people, they know how to earn money. They don't know how to spend money, where to spend money, what are the available investment options in market, what is risk parameter, how to calculate, how to give financial advisory services to customers. So these parameters properly, customers, they don't have proper knowledge. When you select insurance industry, you will get complete idea. You will get a better idea. You will get better knowledge. You have opportunity to interact with the n number of customers. You have opportunity to build a network. So you will understand, you can save your personal money. You no need to depend on other consultant. You can start savings, you can save your money by using your own skills, by using your own knowledge. You no need to depend your financial portfolio to other consultant. When you attend corporate training, yourself you can start savings. You can advise your family members to save money. You can also advise your friends, family members, group of friends to save and to plan perfect financial things, to save money and also to plan perfect financial goals. So here we have agency sales officer position. We are looking agency sales officer position. I will tell you what is the why company looking to hire agency sales officers, how to join, and what is the criteria. So what kind of terms, conditions. So everything, I will open PPT and I will show you PPT. Two minutes, guys.
So we are unable to hear your voice.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Okay.
So is it visible, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Visible.
So
Visible.
agency sales officer role. So your career path. So here your career path will start from here. Then you will promote to agency sales officer. Then again you will promote to senior agency sales officer. Then you will promote to group agency sales officer. Like that, you have career path from basics insurance consultant to next level. Like you have career growth. So here you have wonderful resources to promote 1, 2, 3 promotions within 3 months. You can promote within 3 months 3 levels: first level to second level, third level, fourth level. You have career from starting training level to group agency sales officer level. Again, so your income level also, when you promote, company will provide training, and also your income levels also will increase. So here you can see your income level. So here you can see your income level. So here you can see your income level. So when team size increasing, automatically your income level also will increase. So learnings, we will provide training, and earnings, you have direct team and indirect team. When you target team, when you handle team, so you have wonderful opportunity to learn and also to earn. So third stage, how to start journey with Bajaj Allianz. So if you want to start your career, so Mr. Manish here will register link. So he will share you. So you have to fill out this registration form. So, and the HISE team will conduct telephonic interview, and also they will guide you documentation process and the provision period. So provision period and training minimum will be 1 month and maximum will be 3. Minimum 1 month, maximum will be 3 months. So here provision period means it's kind of internship. It's kind of training, it's kind of internship. So here in provision means why company is conducting, why company is giving some provision period means to understand your knowledge, to understand your skills, to understand your attitude, to understand your habit level. So within provision period, they will take complete training. They will give some kind of works, and they will also test your knowledge. They also will test your skills. They also will observe your attitude. So all parameters company will handle, and company will observe. Based on your performance, you will get immediate promotion. So if you perform well, you will get immediate promotion. So minimum provision period will be 1 month. Maximum will be 3 months. So there is a exam, online exam. It is simple exam. So we will provide training, then we will conduct exam. After clearing exam, you will get appointment as a agency sales officer. You will get appointment letter as a agency sales officer. So then when you promote agency, payout within provision period. So there is a levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 5. So rapid starter are 50 speed, level 1. Rapid starter are 100 speed. Rapid starter are 150 speed. Rapid starter 200. Rapid starter 250. Rapid starter 300. So there is a level 1 target, level 2 target, level 3 target, level 4 target, level 5 target, level 6 target. And also selected level, based on your selected level, you will get payout. Suppose if you select first level, you will get minimum 10,000 plus incentives. Suppose if you select second level, you will get 20,000 plus incentive. Suppose if you select third level, you will get 30,000 plus incentives. If you select this level, you will get this payout. Likewise, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can select. You can select any level and company will take more care on your selected level. And they will, yes.
Sorry for the interruption. Sir, in the last one, behalf of 60, you kept 50,000, sir. Please change it.
Yeah,
up.
sorry, it is a mistake. It is 60,000.
Yeah.
It is 60,000.
Manish, excuse
yeah.
me. Excuse me. Sorry for interruption. Video is available for everyone. Some students might not be visible. I think so.
Yes, sir.
Not
Video is not visible,
Yeah,
sir.
this everyone can see. Whatever we are seeing, everyone can see. And
No. No, some are not able to see. Manish, they are also saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Some video is error, sir. Showing.
Manu, what's the reason? I don't know.
No,
Once
it
if we
will not happen like that. So when you just what we call log out and log in again. So you have some issues, I think. So it is not possible like one can view.
Sometimes so there may be a network issue, but it is screen will be visible to all members.
Sir, this is Murthy.
Murthy chapna.
Sir, some technical reasons ఒక్కొక్కసారి అలా అవుతుంది సార్ నో ప్రాబ్లం వాళ్ళకి మనం రికార్డ్ చేసిన వీడియో సెషన్ పంపిస్తే ఓకే సార్ నో ప్రాబ్లం వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి లాగౌట్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవుతే ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు సార్
Anjireddy garu, please go ahead, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. So this is payout within provision period. So every candidate will get payout within provision period. I told you earlier, minimum 1 month, maximum will be 3 months. So if you achieve minimum target 3 lakhs within provision period, so candidate will get 60,000 plus incentive. So approximately candidate have opportunity to withdraw up to 1 lakh with the incentive. Every level they will get some incentive also. So next, so agency sales officer payout. When he promote as an agency sales officer, so here we will observe 3 months time. So within 1 month or 2 months, 3 months, next we will promote him as a sales officer. Next we will promote him as a sales agency sales officer. When we promote as a agency sales officer, so you will get minimum monthly 33,250 salary, fixed salary, and also distribution build-up incentives, annual business productivity related incentives, monthly business production related incentives, persistency related incentive. So direct team related, direct business. If you generate direct business also, you will get direct income also. So you have opportunity to earn monthly minimum 1 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Minimum monthly. So if you want to earn 10 lakhs, we will guide you and we will give training how to earn 10 lakhs when you promote as a agency sales officer. So, but minimum you have opportunity to earn monthly 33,250 per month, and the remaining you have opportunity to earn a distribution build-up incentives, monthly business productive related incentives, and also annual business production related incentive, persistency related incentive. Direct team, if you generate direct, you have opportunity to earn direct business related payout also. So suppose if you don't like to join as agency sales officer, then you can work like a part-time agent. Then you can work like a part-time financial FC, financial consultant, FC or IC, insurance consultant. So if you don't like to join as a agency sales officer after provision period, you can work like a insurance consultant for part-time. So you will get payout based on your performance, related business. Next level, So activity, count your money. So here you have wonderful opportunity to learn and also to earn. So if you want to earn 1 lakh within 1 month, you have wonderful opportunity. If you want to earn 10 lakhs within 1 month also, you have opportunity to earn. So if you want to earn this industry, this agency sales officer role will be helpful to you to earn money. So here more business, suppose if you take this example, so your income level also same. When you have high team, your income level will be very high. So here distribution building is the main criteria. You have to recruit people, you have to train them, you have to handle team objections, you have to generate business with the team. So here main recruitment is the main criteria. You have to take more care on recruitment. You have to handle team. When you handle team, you have opportunity to earn 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs also per year. Your income levels completely based on your team. So if you have very high network team, your income level also will be very high. So what is recruitment? So here, when you target 100 members, 1:10, recruitment criteria will be 1:10. So if you interview 10 members, we only will allow 1 member, 1:10. If you conduct interview for 10 people, so only we will select 1 candidate. When you, at the time of recruitment, when you take proper care, then you have opportunity to plan distribution and also to take more care on team distribution. So recruitment is the main criteria. Here, company will give you training, how to recruit people, how to train them, how to handle team objections, how to validate, how to conduct BOPs, how to give presentation, how to validate resources, how to understand resources, how to create leads, how to validate leads. So these kind of things, company will give professional training, they will support you, and also they will give you opportunity to find good people and also to recruit good team. So important of recruitment, why companies looking good people means, so every company they will, when you are a performer, when you have good knowledge on subject, when you have good corporate skills, when you have good work attitude level, when you have good work habit level, so then your learnings, whatever learnings will be helpful to earn money, also to generate business to company. Every company will look quality people, they only will focus on main recruitment. So wherever, if you select any organization, recruitment is the main and key to all organization. So recruitment, here company will give authorization power to you to recruit manpower. So here agency sales officer role, 70% you have to focus on recruitment. So you have to, when you join as a agency sales officer, 70% related work completely related to recruitment only. So recruitment is a continuation process. It is every day you have to focus on new team, and you have to find a new team. You have to take new team and you have to train them. You have to handle objections. You have to promote them. Again, you have to target on another member. Again, you have to train him. Again, you have to promote him. Again, you have to concentrate on third member. So recruitment is continuation process. So it is, when you target recruitment, daily recruitment is in ASO position. So daily you have to target to recruit new people. You have to train them. You have to promote them. Again, you have to target again new team. So recruitment is the main continuation process. So here, if you want to improve your recruitment skills, if you want to implement your innovative recruitment skills also, you have wonderful opportunity to implement your innovative ideas, to implement your innovative skills also. So activities company will support you. So you can, here company will look ideal process, right candidate. If you want to recruit quality and right candidate, you have to maintain RAG analysis. RAG analysis means data analysis, red, green, and amber. So database building, how to, when you target recruitment, you have opportunity to build data. And also appointment, meeting, evaluation, selection, objection handling. These are all the main objectives. So ideal candidates, if you target 100 people, so you have to find these ideal quality related candidates you have to find and you have to recruit. So these are all the main criteria. So entrepreneurship, when you select any one candidate, we look entrepreneurship skills and also proactive attitude, self-starter. So these are all skills company will observe, and also if you have these qualities, will give you opportunity as a ASO. So these are all the targeted team: youngsters, service class, business class, housewives, retired person. So anyone, you can recruit anyone. Business class, business. Suppose if you find any businessman, you can target and you can recruit him as your team member. So youngsters, students, you can target and you can recruit him as a team member. So service class, so doctors, advocates. So you can target on service agents also. So my presentation is over. So if you have any queries now, you can ask me, guys.
Now, whoever have doubts, you can just open up. You can just ask, sir. And whoever interested to work on this, we are sending the final Google form in the group right now. Just register. From today, we'll be having 4 days training sections. Okay, from today. So, I mean from tomorrow, whoever fill the Google form now, from tomorrow, same timing, 3 to 4 o'clock, they'll be having a 1 hour training till 4 days. So you can start your work, guys. So any more doubts, please go ahead.
Sir,
Yeah,
Yes,
tell
yes.
me.
sir, after training, we will get the job.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Sir, what about this fees you told?
Yeah, fees,
Already said.
after provision period, they have to pay fees.
Sir, okay. How much and how they should pay and what is that exactly and for what?
600. So 600 plus 100 rupees, total 700, they have to pay for exam. It is government exam. So when you select, so you have to pay 700 rupees exam application fees. So company will provide material for exam. So exam will be online exam, jumbling paper, no negative marks. Paper you will get in English, all local language. Suppose if you select English, paper will be only in English. So if you select Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, Telugu, you will get local language and also English. Paper will be displaying both languages. So no negative marks, exam, 1 hour exam, objective model paper. So no, jumbling paper. So exam under CC camera control. It is online exam. Exam will be scheduled by NSC IT Government Institute. So when you clear exam, so you will get exam pass memo and also you will get a training completion certificate also from government. It is simple exam. Everyone, when you attend for training, 4 days training, so you will clear exam and also I will send you material as well. I will send you the exam related syllabus notes also. We will provide all materials also.
Sir,
They
it's
should
like
pay amount
LA.
after training or before training?
So it's before training.
Okay. So if they are
Exam they
interested,
have to clear
students are
after training.
interested, if students are interested to do this life insurance job, they should pay 600 and they will join with us and they'll be getting trained for 4 days and they'll get certified and they'll start the work. If they're not get certified, if they not pass the exam, then what is the issue?
So again company will reschedule. They have opportunity to write again.
Okay. How to pay this amount?
Online through Google Pay, they can pay. Otherwise, they can pay directly to company. So they can
Means
transfer
like
to manager account. Otherwise, they can pay direct online.
there is any online Bajaj code where we can pay through
Yes,
online?
yes. We will give link directly. They can pay from their mobile.
Okay, that is clear, sir. So,
Sir.
friends, see, it is very genuine option. Okay, we are working with IDBI and Bajaj from last 3+ years. So I know Anji sir from very this thing. So we have planned such a program. This is like you will join as a life insurance agent. Okay, just like LIC or like that. Okay, and you will make people to join this program by taking the insurance. The insurance monthly, if you are doing 35,000 rupees is of insurance with anyone in your family or network anywhere, you will get 10,000 rupees. If you are doing 1 lakh, you are getting 20,000 rupees. If you are doing 1.5 lakh, you are getting 30,000. Like everywhere you have a slabs for every minimum 50,000 is the thing. Okay, and who are much confident on them, they can go with a salary basis. Once if you're done with the exam, you have it 2 options in front of you. You can go with a salary basis or a commission basis. Anything you can select. So this is not forcefully or anything. If you can do a insurance job, okay, if you can motivate the people, if you can search the people who are seriously looking for insurance, and you can convey with them, and you can make them do the payment, because this is not a small thing. If trust. And one more biggest thing is, see, Bajaj is the world's 3rd leading business company and India's 3rd insurance company. Okay, LIC, SBI life insurance, next that is Bajaj. Okay, so it's a trusted company from many years. Some crores of companies, thousands of crores are going turnover through Bajaj. So everyone know about that. So students, it's very clear once again, whoever seriously interested that you can do the life insurance in your network after training. See, you can do in your network as well as we will give you data, and we will give you training how to do posting in the social networks, and people may call you and they will ask for the insurance. That also will give the training. So now whoever interested, we have given the Google form in the group. Everyone can fill that.
Sir. Hello.
Yes. Now whoever doubts, please go ahead. You can ask your doubts, guys.
సార్ కమిషన్ బేసెస్ అలాగే మామూలుగా శాలరీ బేసెస్ అనే కదా సార్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయగలరా అది?
యా, అదే సి కమిషన్ బేసిస్ అన్న సాలరీ బేసిస్ అన్న ఒకటే. కమిషన్ బేసిస్ అంటే నువ్వు పార్ట్ టైం, నువ్వు డైలీ మార్నింగ్ రిపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చి డైలీ 50 కాల్స్ చేయడం ఇదంతా అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, నీకు ఇష్టం ఉన్న టైంలో చేస్తావు. 35,000 మంత్లీ 50,000 చేస్తే నీకు 10,000 వస్తుంది. 1 lakh చేస్తే 20,000 వస్తుంది. 2 lakhs చేస్తే 30,000 వస్తుంది. 3 lakhs చేస్తే 40,000 వస్తుంది. అట్లా నువ్వు చేసుకునే కొద్దీ నీకు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నువ్వు ఎన్ని లాక్స్ బిజినెస్ చేస్తే నీకు అన్ని లాక్స్ వస్తాయి. 50,000 కి 10,000 అనేది మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకే, అది అదే సాలరీ బేస్ ఏంటి అంటే నీకు ఇష్టమైన స్లాబ్ 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 నువ్వు స్లాబ్ తీసుకొని ఓకే అనుకుంటే వాళ్ళు నీకు ఆఫర్ లెటర్ వస్తుంది బజాజ్ నుంచి. యు హావ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ యాజ్ ఎన్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఏజెంట్, మీ శాలరీ ఇంత, మీ టార్గెట్ ఇంత అని. అక్కడ కూడా ఇన్ కేస్ మీరు శాలరీలోకి వెళ్తే మీరు ఫ్రీగా అయితే వర్క్ చేయకపోతే వాళ్ళు మనీ ఇవ్వరు కదా. ఓకే, ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే మీరు ప్రొడక్టివిటీ తెస్తేనే.
Guys, so one most important point. So when suppose I am your customer, so you can treat me 2 parameters. One is you can ask me directly to invest money. Directly you can ask me to invest money. Otherwise you can recruit me as a insurance agent. You can advise me to introduce some customers. Means directly you can ask me as a you have option to join, introduce me as a customer. If it is not possible, you can advise him to join as a financial advisor. You have 2 options. directly you can ask him to join as a customer. Otherwise, you can recruit him as a financial advisor when you became a ASO, agency sales officer. When you promote as a ASO, you have second option also. You can recruit people, you can train them, you can generate business with a team. Two things. So directly you can ask him to invest money. Otherwise, you can recruit him. Means here you are helping people to save money, to secure their financial lifestyle, and also to protect their financial living lifestyle. One is, it is kind of doctor. So what is the difference between doctor and financial doctor? Doctor is the health related advisor. He will give health related advices. So here you are the financial doctor. You are giving financial advisory services to customers. You are giving financial planning to customers. You are managing financial portfolio to customers. So here you are handling directly financial things. You are dealing financial things. And also you are helping people to save money, and also you are supporting people to start career also. You are giving career to customer as well. You are giving better investment career to customer, and also you are giving better career growth to employees also, unemployed youth also. You are helping people, two parameters. One is savings, second one is career. Now you continue, Manish.
Yeah, sir. Now, any more doubts, guys? Any more doubts?
Sir, for those who are interested doing in part-time work, they also have to attend exam, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
See,
sir.
to join this program, everyone should write the exam. Then only you can be this employee.
Exam why means insurance, RBI is the regulatory body for all banks. If they want to do any bank related transaction, suppose if they want to open new bank account, if they want to give loan, if they want to give mortgage loan, business loan, so every bank has to follow RBI guidelines. Why? Because RBI is the regulatory body for all banks. So likewise, IRDA is the regulatory body for all insurance companies. So if they want to do any kind of things, they have to follow based on IRDA guidelines. So here, financial things means, so there is a AML exam, anti-money laundering related exam. So when you join, when you select financial organization, here you have to understand customer process, and also you have to understand KYC collection. You have to understand what kind of money you have to target to collect, what kind of opportunities you will get, how to build network. These trainings mandatory, and also this exam also mandatory for all bankers and all certificate related people. So when you clear, then you will get some certificate, and also you will get career related experience. This experience, this certificate also will be helpful to you to promote your career. When you enter into any organization, this certificate, this experience will be helpful to you to promote your career. Automatically your promotion will be helpful to you to get some good package. Suppose by using this 3 months or 6 months experience, when you enter into another organization, you have better opportunity to promote your career. You have better opportunity to show your experience certificate. You have better opportunity to promote your knowledge. You have better opportunity to promote your achievement certificates and rewards. So then by using your knowledge level, certificate, by using your skill level certificate, you have opportunity to get easily job also.
And this will be very useful for you guys. See, you're not paying 600 rupees to the highest or any this thing third party guys. You're directly paying to Bajaj company for your knowledge and certification and for your examination fees. Okay.
It is a government exam fee.
Okay. So you are directly paying for government through online for examination fees. That is useful. So students who are seriously interested for this process, just fill the Google form. We will send you the final Zoom meeting link from tomorrow. Classes will be start, and you can just be in touch with us. And the group is open. You can ask all your doubts. And Spurti, you are the whole and soul. You will be taking care of this project. The thing is like next 4 days, we will give the training things, and whoever done with the agreement, exam, they will be passed out. Sir, when they will get a certificate of exam?
So after clearing exam, they will get immediately through online. They have option to download.
Okay, it's on the spot.
On the spot, they will get. When they clear within 1 hour, they will get online certificate. On direct, they will get from government.
Okay, superb. And one more thing, sir. Now, if today they cleared the 4 days of training, 5th day they have written the exam, and 6th
Yes,
day they will get a letter of intent or an offer letter from the Bajaj.
So they will get appointment letter as a insurance consultants. So again, if they want to start career, we will promote them as a agency sales officer.
Okay. Done. Got
So
it.
if they
Sir.
want to
So,
start career in Bajaj, so they have opportunity to promote as a agency sales officer. Suppose if they want to work like an insurance consultant, they can work like a part-time as a insurance consultant.
okay. So if they are looking for part-time, it is a part-time. If it is a full-time, you will provide a offer letters as a thing and
Yes.
fixed salaries.
Yes,
Depends
yes,
upon
yes.
their interested targets.
Yes, yes.
Done, sir. Thank you very much. So friends,
Thank
do your best. Whoever interested, fill the Google form, whatever we have given in the group. So we can, it's a good opportunity, guys. Okay. Done. Spurti, take care of this group. Just take care of for next 4 days. We can get all the clears done. And once it is done, we can start the process. Okay.
So thank you, guys. Thank you, Manish.
Okay, sir. You're welcome. And thanks for your valuable time, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Spurti, end the section.